Y'all, I am trying little variety here. I am trying to do a vegan bacon with bananas, a banana bacon. I don't have all the ingredients. I just want to go ahead and try it to see what happens. Okay, so the ingredients I'll be using is olive oil, onion powder, Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, soy sauce, cayenne pepper. Let's see if you can see it. Cayenne pepper and black pepper and a little paprika and some olive oil also. All right. So I've already stripped, like they said online, you know, to strip all the peeling from this part. It's gonna be a little dark, but I'm going to try it. So I'm gonna marinate it with all the seasonings, with some cayenne pepper. I'm videoing this myself, so I'm just gonna have to take a picture as I go, but I'll get back with it in just a moment. All right, this is the banana peel with the seasonings. Some people, they either fry theirs, put theirs in the oven, or air fry them. So I'm going to put mine over the stove in this little skillet right here with some olive oil. So we'll see how it's going to taste, you all. It's nice and seasoned front and back. The back peeling of it. And there are amazing health benefits to bananas, as you know. A lot of potassium, antioxidant. It builds your immune system also. So, and I'll get you the other health facts about banana peels themselves, okay? So right now I'm in the middle. I'm so excited about trying this out. All right, so this is all what I used, as you can see. Okay, now I'm gonna put this back on pause. Oh my goodness, I feel like this is going to be a mess, but I just so been wanting to try this out. Okay, she had it marinating for about 5 minutes. I know I haven't, but I'm just so anxious just to do this. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the pan, y'all. I'm trying, y'all. It's okay to try something new. If it don't work, you don't have to eat it. Just know you've tried it. That's a big piece of bacon now. That's a big piece of banana bacon. I'm going to turn it down some. Still cooking, y'all. And this is banana peel bacon, vegan bacon, y'all. It's an update on this vegan bacon. Look at it, y'all. It's a healthier choice. It looks like it, but it smells really good, y'all. It really smells good. Look at this. Look at that, y'all. Look at this. That one needs some work on it, this side. I may need to put some more olive oil on it. But look at it. Look at this one. That one almost go for a bacon, almost. More like a turkey bacon. See how this one looks. These are darker because the peeling will have start getting a little bit darker. Alright, that's the update, y'all. It takes so long for it to get done. Banana peel bacon. Vegan, y'all. Vegan bacon. All right, y'all. I have finished the bacon. I made the banana bacon. And this is what it looks like, y'all. I would show the other side, but I think I overcooked it a little bit. It almost tastes, it don't taste like banana at all. I am so serious. Since I put all those different spices on it, it really tastes like a cross between turkey bacon and maybe jerky. But it does not taste like banana. I am so surprised, y'all. I'm going to bite a piece, and this is the crunchiness of it. So next time, I'm going to try it and not let it cook so long, because I want it to be crisp. So now here's my vegan banana bacon. I never thought you could make banana peel taste so good. All right, y'all. That's my version of vegan banana peel bacon. Have a great day.